books, page number 1616. I hope. Now let's quickly revise what we have already done in this lesson.
मैम इधर एक रूम बना है।
Yes.
मैम जो 16 पेजेस पे ये 16 पेज पर ये रूम बना है।
15 there's a room, 16 also. Yes, Astha. Yes. You have the picture of a room given over there. Now, hold your hands straight. Let me see how much you remember. Okay. Vani, we cook food in which room? Vali, name the room where mummy cooks food. Yes, Vali? Kitchen. Okay, very good. Shub, name the room where we sit and eat our food. पहले क्वेश्चन को पूरा सुनिए शुभ. Name the room in which we have our meals. जहाँ बैठ के खाना खाते हैं.
किचन रूम.
That is the dining room. We eat our meals in the dining room. Okay, Shub? All right. Sakina, the next one. Sakina, कल से आप बेड पे बैठ के क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करेंगी बेटे, क्योंकि आपको नींद आने लगती है, आप लेट जाती हैं. From tomorrow you will sit properly on a chair, put a table there and attend your classes. Name the room where you sleep.
Bedroom. Bedroom.
Yes, Sakina. Name the room where you sleep.
Bedroom.
Ronik, do you want me to remove you from the meeting? Yes. Please maintain the discipline of the class. Yes, Sakina.
Ma'am, bedroom.
Okay, bedroom. That's right. Hayat, name the room in which we welcome the guests and we sit down. We watch TV.
Ma'am, drawing room.
Children, please do not answer out of turn. Hayat, I am asking. Ayat, I am asking Hayat just now. You have to listen to your names clearly. Okay? All right. Living room. Fine. Christopher? Christopher, can you hear me? Christopher, can you hear me? Okay. Hardik, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hardik. Name the room where we have a bath.
Dining.
The room where you have a bath. जिस रूम में आप
Bathroom.
Okay, very good. And please make sure you answer loudly. And a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and various animals. Now come to page number 16, 1616. Page number 1616. Christopher, page number 16. Open your science book to page number 1616. right, now it says take a look at the rooms in your home. Write the names of the rooms you see. What do you use each room for? Now, today you are going to see your house. You'll have a look at your home and you will complete this exercise. This exercise you will complete and send me the picture on personal. You will send me the picture on personal. आप सबको अपना घर पता है, आपने देखा है, सारे रूम्स देखे हैं और किस यूज में आते हैं वो रूम्स सबको पता है. तो आप अपने आप बैठकर इस एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट करेंगे. स्पेलिंग्स आप बुक से देखेंगे और स्पेलिंग्स को लर्न भी करेंगे. लर्निंग सब आपको करना है. You have to do all the learning work. You have to learn up all the spellings, right, of the various rooms in your house. Then, can you see the picture that is given there? Can you see the picture that is given over there? All of you look at that picture carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at that picture very carefully. And then you will answer the question. Does this room look clean and tidy? Yes or no? क्या वो रूम आपको क्लीन साफ सुथरा दिख रहा है? Yes or no? रोनिक, look at the picture. Look at the picture. No, that room is not at all clean and tidy. So put a tick on no. Put a tick on no. आप पिक्चर को बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे और मुझे एक एक करके बताएंगे वो रूम टाइडी क्यों नहीं है. वहां पर आपको क्या क्या चीज दिख रही है जो उस रूम को अनटाइडी बना रही है. अली, नेम वन थिंग. अली, उस पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. पेज नंबर 16. Yes, Ali, quickly.
Bed.
Why is that room untidy? वो रूम आपको अनटाइडी क्यों लग रहा है? वो क्लीन नहीं है रूम. Anyone else? Books are lying on the bed. Okay, good. What else? Yes, Vinayak.
And हर एक चीज.
Vinayak, you were raising your hand. Yes, Vinayak. Okay, books वहाँ पर scattered है. Books are lying on the side table and on the this thing bed also. Okay, good. Astha, what are you saying?
मैम उसने बोला अगर हर चीज उधर पिकनी पड़ी.
The things are lying scattered. All the things are lying scattered here and there. Okay. Now you can mute yourself, Astha. And please try to speak in English. All the children have to try to speak in English. You can see some toys also lying scattered in the room. Can you see the toys lying there? Sometimes you also do like this. Yes. After you finish playing, you leave your toys in the same place. You leave your books in the same place after studies. And Mummy has to pick everything and keep it in the proper place. Yes, Mummy has to do it for you.
मैम मैं अपनी बुक और टॉय को बहुत मार करता हूँ।
Okay, Shubh, you are a very good boy. That means अगर आप अपनी चीजें ठीक से रखते हैं, प्रॉपर प्लेस पे रखते हैं, दैट मीन्स यू आर ऑल वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रेन. एंड इफ यू डोंट, देन यू हैव टू लर्न टू डू इट. ओके. अगर कोई है जो अपनी चीज़ें खेलने के बाद अपने टॉयज उसी जगह पर छोड़ देते हैं, पढ़ाई के बाद बुक्स उसी जगह पर छोड़ देते हैं, तो आपको सीखना है अपनी चीज़ें उठाकर प्रॉपर प्लेस पे रखनी है. चीज़ों को इधर उधर नहीं छोड़ा जाता है, अपनी चीज़ों की देखभाल करनी होती है. यू हैव टू लर्न टू कीप योर थिंग्स इन द प्रॉपर प्लेस इन द हाउस. ओनली देन योर हाउस विल बी क्लीन. इट इज़ योर हाउस. If you are going to help mommy to keep the house clean, your house will be clean. Right? Vaishnavi is giving thumbs down. That means Vaishnavi, you keep your house clean. You put your things in the proper place. Okay, very good. Shivansh is also giving thumbs up. And Aya also. Very good. All good children. Vali also. Okay, good. All right. Even Prashasti. Good. Okay, now children, moving further, today we are going to first you studied about yourself, you studied about your home. Now आपको पता है जहाँ पर आप रहते हैं, आपके घर के आसपास बहुत सी शॉप्स हैं. किसी के घर के पास हॉस्पिटल्स भी होंगे, किसी के घर के पास हो सकता है पोस्ट ऑफिस भी हो, किसी के घर के पास पुलिस स्टेशन भी होगा, किसी के घर के पास पार्क्स भी होंगे जहाँ पर आप पहले खेलने जाते थे. यस. नाउ ऑल दीज थिंग्स जो आपके घर के आस पास हैं, दैट इज योर नेबरहुड. हिंदी में बोलते हैं हमारे पड़ोस में ये वाली शॉप है, हमारे पड़ोस में हॉस्पिटल है. सो इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल दैट नेबरहुड. So today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is our neighborhood chapter 3. Can you see? Come to this page. All right. So you have to look at the pictures that are given on page 17 now. All of you look at the pictures. Look at the pictures carefully. Now tick the pictures that is similar to the place where you live. आपके घर के पास में अगर स्कूल है, see the first picture. The road is there. Children are crossing the road to go to school. Children are crossing the road to go to school. अगर किसी का घर स्कूल के पास में है, then you will put a tick on this picture. Then look at the second picture. You can see the aeroplane on top, and you can see a lot of cars and taxis here. That means there's an airport nearby. There is an airport nearby. अगर आपके घर के आसपास एयरपोर्ट है, so you will take this picture. Then you have a nice farmhouse here. If you have a farmhouse near your house, then you have the beautiful picture of the mountains, the sceneries. I'm sure nobody has this. Nobody has this. These two are very rare. These two pictures you can find in your neighborhoods. Maybe somebody is staying near the school. Maybe somebody is staying near the airport. Right? So you see these two things in your neighborhood. These are not there in your neighborhood. These two pictures are not in your neighborhood, so don't put a tick there. Okay? Now, turn the page. turn the page and look at the beautiful picture given over there. You can see the children playing in the park. Yes? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Then you can see the road is there. There's a road that is going down there. People are walking on the road. There are some shops over there. Yes? Okay. Now fold your hands, sit straight. Sit straight, all of you. Put your pencils down. Hayat, we are not saying the prayer just now, child. Okay? Alright. So, now one by one I will ask you. आपके घर के आसपास का एरिया सबने देखा है? हो सकता है गेट के बाहर खड़े होकर देखा हो, अगर आपके घर में बैल्कनी है वहां से देखा होगा. सो वन बाय वन आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू, आपके घर के आसपास क्या क्या चीजें हैं आप हमें बताएंगे. आपने क्या क्या देखा है? लेट्स स्टार्ट.
मेरे हाउस में
ना शुभ बैड मैनर्स. Ishanvi, let's begin with you. Ishanvi, come on, quickly you will answer. What have you seen in your neighborhood? मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए. आपने, अब आप क्लास 1 में है, आपने अपने घर के आसपास देखा होगा क्या क्या चीजें हैं. कोई भी एक चीज बताइए. Do you have a hospital in the neighborhood? Do you have a police station? क्या आपके घर के आसपास कोई पार्क है?
hospital.
Okay, you have a hospital in the neighborhood. All right, Ronek, what do you have?
Road, hospital, shop.
Okay, you have the roads. You can see the road. You can see the hospital. Okay. Yes, Inaya, what can you see?
Man, park, shop.
Okay, you can see the cars. Okay, and the shops. Okay, good. Aram, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Shop and police station.
You have a police station and shop. Okay, good. Aradhya, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Man, park.
Yes, Aradhya, loudly.
Park.
Park. Okay, you got a park there. I also have a park in my neighborhood. And there are some shops in my neighborhood also. Okay, yes, Shivansh, let's hear you.
Coffee shop.
Okay, you have a coffee shop. That's nice. Astha, what do you have?
Man, hospital. Shops and hospital.
Okay, Astha, good. Omansh, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Man, Paco Pam.
Okay. And Hriday, what do you have?
Park road and school.
Okay, you got a school. Okay. Vali, what do you have? Vali, I cannot hear you at all, child. Bus stop. Okay. Okay. Manjeet, what do you have? Manjeet, quickly, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Police station.
Police station. Okay, good. Vihan, what do you have in your neighborhood? Visual? Visual?
Park.
Visual?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Yes, ma'am.
आपके neighborhood में क्या है visual?
Shops and houses.
Shops and market. Okay, good. Okay, Ali, what do you have?
Shop and hospital and road.
Okay, you have shops and hospitals. Okay. Hardik, what have you seen in your neighborhood?
Shop and market.
Shops and market. Okay, lots of shops are there. Vinayak, what do you have around in your neighborhood?
Market.
Market. Okay.
Bank and market.
Okay, good. Nipun,
Ma'am.
आपके घर के आसपास शॉप्स है, मार्केट है, क्या है?
Ma'am. Eco garden.
Eco garden. Oh, that's nice. So you're staying that side. All right. Now let's see who's this Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have in your neighborhood, Vaishnavi?
Laddu Seven Hospital.
Okay, you have the hospital there. Okay. All right. Ayat Rizvi. Ayat Rizvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what do you have in your neighborhood, child?
Ma'am, shop.
Shops. Okay, good. Adhiraj.
Park. Park.
All right. Adhiraj, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Ma'am, park, temple, school, shop.
Okay, you have park, temple, shops. Okay, good. Hayat Khan, what do you have in your neighborhood, child?
Street shop.
You have shops. Okay, that's nice. Priya, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Ma'am, road.
You have the road there. Okay, so must be seeing a lot of vehicles passing by. Okay, Arav, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Ma'am, shop and hospital.
Shops and hospital. Okay. Yes, Prashasti, what do you have?
Ma'am, park and mall.
Park and mall. Okay, that's nice. Sakina, what do you have in your neighborhood?
Mosque and hospital.
Okay, you have a mall and shops and hospital. Okay. What about Shub?
Ma'am, shops.
You have shops. Okay. Christopher, what do you have in your neighborhood? Christopher, can you hear me? Are you there, Christopher? Christopher, switch on your camera. I want to see you. क्रिस्टोफर, जहाँ पर आप रहते हैं घर के आसपास क्या क्या चीजें आपको दिखती हैं?
Ma'am.
Shops. Okay. And please don't switch off your camera. सामने बैठिए, मैम को आपको देखना है. Ayat Heather, let's hear you, child.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Park and shop.
All right. You have mall and shops. Okay. What about Hassan? Hassan is looking around in the house. Hassan, what do you see in the neighborhood? What all is there in the neighborhood? आपने घर में पहाड़ कभी देखा है? बाहर जब मम्मी पापा के साथ जाते थे, अभी तो नहीं जा रहे होंगे, तो आपने क्या क्या देखा है बाहर?
Ma'am, मैंने park.
Shubh, if you are going to continue doing this, there'll be a problem. You have to learn to be disciplined, child. Yes, Hassan. मम्मी के साथ कभी मार्केट गए हैं? जब स्कूल आते थे, नर्सरी में जब आप स्कूल आते थे, तब आपने बाहर रोड पर कुछ कुछ देखा है? घर के पास क्या क्या चीजें हैं, क्या देखा है, बताइए मैम को। मम्मी को मत बताइए, मैम को बताइए। माइक ऑन करिए। यस हसन, क्विकली। हसन, आंसर क्विकली चाइल्ड। क्या क्या देखा है आपने? यस हसन, यू हैव टू लर्न टू स्पीक, यू आर वेरी शाय। अपने मैम से और अपने फ्रेंड से थोड़ी ना शर्माते हैं। टेल मी, कम ऑन क्विकली। क्या क्या देखा है आपने बाहर रोड पर, घर के आसपास? क्योंकि इस लेसन में हम लोग यही पढ़ेंगे ना, आपने अपने घर के पास क्या क्या देखा है?
पहाड़।
Park. Okay, good. Finally, I got to hear you. Children, you don't have to feel shy to speak. Okay? You have to be open now. It's high time. I'm your teacher. अपनी मैम से शर्माते नहीं है, बोलना है. You have to learn to speak. If you will not speak, तो मैम को कैसे पता चलेगा आपको आया कि नहीं आया? Right? Now, for homework, you will just read this lesson, only this page you will read, then we will continue in the next science period. Okay? और एक बार और मम्मी से पूछेंगे आपके नेबरहुड में क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो आप लोग ने अभी नहीं देखी है। मम्मी ने देखी होगी, पापा ने देखी होगी। आप लोग मम्मी पापा के साथ बैठ के डिस्कस करेंगे, उनसे पूछेंगे आपके नेबरहुड में और क्या क्या चीजें हैं। Right? And make sure you are learning to speak in English, children. Some children are not making an effort to speak in English at all. You have to make an effort to speak in English, answer in English. Okay? Make sure you're answering your teacher in English. Start reading. जो lessons जो हम homework के लिए देते हैं reading करने के लिए, उसकी reading आपको करनी है। क्लास में किसी भी दिन एक दिन हम सिर्फ रीडिंग कराएंगे और किसी भी बुक से कराएंगे। हम आप लोग को बोलेंगे, बता देंगे कौन सी बुक निकालनी है और उसके बाद हम रीडिंग कराना शुरू करेंगे। सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल, कीप लर्निंग एवरीथिंग, कीप रीडिंग एवरीथिंग। एंड टुमारो वी हैव इंग्लिश टुमारो ऑन द टाइम टेबल। आई मे टेक योर स्पेलिंग्स टेस्ट। इंग्लिश में हम लोग ने एक पोएम कंप्लीट कर ली है नंबर्स लिटरेचर में, एंड टेकिंग अ लड्डू लेसन कंप्लीट कर लिया है। दोनों लेसन्स की स्पेलिंग्स का डिक्टेशन कल इंग्लिश के पीरियड में हो सकता है। उसके लिए आपको अपना रजिस्टर रेडी रखना है। जब आपने बुक्स एंड कॉपीज खरीदी थी, उसके साथ में 2 रजिस्टर्स मिले थे। 1 रजिस्टर इज फॉर द हिंदी सब्जेक्ट, 1 register is for my subjects, all the subjects where I make you do rough work. Right? So tomorrow you may get a spellings test. Learn up all the spellings of both the lessons. Right? Did you hear what I said? Give me a thumbs up then. Inaya, can you repeat what I said?
Non-dictation test.
Tomorrow you can have your dictation. What subject?
Ma'am, English.
English literature. I cannot see you. Is your camera off? Ronik, Aram?
Dictation English test.
Okay.
Dictation English test.
Yes, English dictation you can have tomorrow. I can give you spellings. Alright, make sure you learn up all the spellings nicely. Now, join your hands, close your eyes. We'll say our prayers. We come to the end of the period, end of the classes for the day also. All of you join hands. Thank you, O God, for all the people from whom I have learned today, talked and shared my knowledge. Thank you for all the people who have been kind to me today, for those who have taught me the lessons which I must know, for granting me good knowledge to do better in my life. Thank you for being with me every moment of this day and keeping me safe. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. So thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you.
Bye.